Okay guys, like I promised, here's a brief little update on my Trike Ruckus project. So I took this this rear axle assembly up to here from a old junk four-wheeler. I had these tubing was for a roll cage on a go-kart, and this again was part of the original rear assembly of the four-wheeler. So I had to cut it right here, and I put in this is a bend. You can see it's a 90-degree, and so that gave me the drop I needed to fit the motor underneath this frame here. So I had it welded in, and I just had these two runners on there just to mock it up. It worked good, but I could tell already that it wasn't structurally strong enough, because there used to be a cross member here, you know, that I had to cut out because it's a lot closer than it was on the frame of the go-kart. So now I've welded in this new brace here, and I also did another brace right here, just a little diagonal one. I know most of you are going to say, why didn't you put an X or whatever? Well, I just wanted something extra, because this whole section right here is going to be a plate. I think I'm going to do 1/4 inch steel, and that's the motor's going to bolt to, and I'll have it welded on both sides as well. So that's just kind of a quick update of the rear end on the Ruckus Trike, and I'll come back when I get the motor mounts set up on there and kind of mocked up, and then we can slide it in and see how it looks.